Hi students and teachers, welcome to the analysis of the papers which were uploaded by the PU department. They are being referred as the model question papers, but the board has not given any blueprint. So by looking at today's paper, let us see what can be the blueprint of the examination 2021. So we, Yashas Academy, Kalburgi, we have always been trying to bring you the updates as well as the solutions to your problem. So today you are puzzled about the blueprint, and now we are with the blueprint on the basis of the question papers which were uploaded today. So starting with the blueprint, the first chapter, that is non-profit organization. In the present scheme, earlier you have seen that in the non-profit organization we used to see 2 marks question, but now there will be only 1 marks question, and plus there will be 2 12 marks questions. So in total it will give you 25 marks. So this is a bit disappointing for the students, because few students may find NPO as difficult chapter and they are going to get 2 questions from that particular chapter. Then next is partnership fundamentals. We have 2 1 marks, 2 2 marks, and 2 6 marks question that will give you total of 18 marks. Okay, later on we will see what type of questions you will get in 6 marks and 12 marks, but initially you be happy with this only allocation of marks. Then when it comes to partnership admission, we have only 1 mark question and we have 2 12 mark question. What board has done is, where it has given 2 12 mark question, it has kept remaining sections as blank, and only they have asked 1 marks question from those chapters, that is especially admission and non-profit organization. Then the next one is retirement and death. In this you will be seeing 2 1 marks question, 2 2 marks question. Earlier the problem of ratios where like we will be in dilemma that we will be getting it from admission or retirement, but this time with the question paper they have made clear that it will be only from retirement. Okay, so you'll be getting 2 questions from retirement and death and 1 question of 12 marks from retirement, and you will not be getting any 2 marks question from this chapter. And then when it comes to dissolution, earlier also we have never seen a 1 mark question from dissolution. We had only 2 marks. So this time also we have only 2 marks, and but it will be 2 marks 2 questions and 1 question of 12 marks. So total it will give you 16 marks. Then next is accounting for share capital, and in this chapter you will find 2 1 marks questions, 2 2 marks question, 1 6 marks question. It will be in the format of issue of debentures which we used to get in the previous previous format of examination. You will be getting short problem on issue of shares, and then a 1 12 marks question, like it will be on issue and forfeiture of shares. And then this chapter will totally give you 24 marks. And the last was financial statements of joint stock company. Here you will get 1 question 2 questions of 1 marks, 2 2 marks, and 2 6 marks. In total you will get 18 marks from this chapter, and this total gives you 152 marks. And you know that accounts paper will be of totally 167 marks. So 15 marks will be for practical oriented questions. Now you know you already have set of practical oriented questions which are given by board. So now only what you need to do is you need to see which all questions are deleted, and remaining you need to study. Okay, so now after this, now let us speak about the chapter wise what kind of questions they will ask, because today when I studied both the question paper, I was able to read the mindset of the one who has framed the blueprint. So in the non-profit organization you will be getting 2 12 marks question. 1 will be the balance sheet, okay, plus income and expenditure receipts and payments account will be given to you. Okay, And in the other problem, you will get receipts and payments account, plus you will not get balance sheet, but you will be given information to prepare balance sheet. Information to prepare balance sheet. Okay, so that will be the only difference, and remaining will remain same. Like again, you need to apply the same principles to prepare income and expenditure account and the new balance sheet. Now, when it comes to partnership accounts, in the above blueprint, I have shown you that there will be 2 questions of 6 marks from this chapter. So one will be on profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. And the other one is calculation of interest on drawings. Okay, so interest on drawings, again, there are 2 methods on which they may ask, that is product method and average method. And in the admission of partner chapter, you will get 2 questions of 12 marks. Board has made very clear that you need to apply AS 26 this time, because many had a question whether we need to treat goodwill as per the previous scheme or we need to go for AS 26. Now the board has made it very clear that you need to apply AS 26. Okay, so what kind of problem they may ask? So the first one is a problem with capital adjustment, and the other will be without capital adjustment. And they have a wonderful opportunity to test the treatment of goodwill also. In one problem, they may ask the goodwill which is brought in cash, and the other they may ask goodwill raised and written off. Now coming to the next chapter, that is retirement and death. And these are almost the same here, like there is no much thing to discuss. The reason is you will get one problem on, as the blueprint says, it is only, as the model question paper says, they may stick to gain ratio, but we should also be ready for new profit sharing ratio problems. Because in retirement, you won't find a variety of problems. You can prepare for both gain ratio as well as new profit sharing ratio. Then the next is a problem of death of partner, where they may ask you to prepare a deceased partner's capital account or his executor's account. And then you will be getting a 12 marks problem, wherein you will be you will be asked to prepare a revaluation account, partner's capital account, and balance sheet. Generally, they won't ask problems on the which are based on adjustment of capital accounts in the new profit sharing ratio. They may ask, but be prepared, because there are only 9 problems which are there in the question bank. You can solve all of them very easily. So a problem on retirement of partner. So I won't specify, so that you can prepare for both. Then coming to the next one, dissolution, you will have two marks questions and 1 12-mark question. That's a very common question of dissolution. So one problem out of the problems, type of problems which are given in the question bank. So then coming to the next chapter, that is accounting for share capital. In the accounting for share capital, you will find 1 5 marks problem. That will be on the basis of a very simple issue problem. It will not be forfeiture problem, just a issue problem. Or they may go for, there is one more option, that is issue of share for a consideration other than cash. It will move in the same way in which we have seen the issue of debenture for a consideration other than cash. So I just put it as a issue problem. Okay. Then the other, like 12 marks problem will be issue and forfeiture problem. It will be. Okay, so now coming to the next, that is financial statements of joint stock company, which is the last chapter. You will find two 6 marks questions from this chapter. Two 6 marks question. One will be on preparation of statement of profit or loss, and the other one will be preparation of balance sheet. Okay, so hope this has made you clear, like how the question paper will be and what all they will be asking. This will save your lot of efforts. See, I will give you a simple combination now. If you are thinking, if you want to find a very easiest way to get 100, see, this syllabus has given a wonderful opportunity to score 100. If you look at the 12 marks question, if you finish this partnership part, you will be able to answer 4 questions of 12 marks. Or if you find that non-profit is a very interesting chapter, then studying this non-profit organization and admission of new partner will give you 12 into 4, that is 48 marks. Or still you want a wonderful combination wherein you won't make any mistake, then I suggest you to include this accounting for share capital, because here you will have very less chance of making mistake and it's very easy to learn also. So this 5 questions, if you answer in the examination, definitely there will be 4 questions which will be right. Okay, then coming to the 6 marks question, the wonderful combination what I can give you is the financial statements of joint stock company and partnership fundamentals. 4 easy problems which can give you easily 24 marks. Okay, and this time theory also has been made very easy. If you study 4 chapters, only 2 marks questions, hardly there may be 20 into 4, 80 questions. That will definitely give you 10 marks in the examination. And coming to 1 marks question, reading them is not that a difficult task. You can read all the chapters and you can answer 8 questions out of 10. And if you answer all the 10, that will be very good. Okay, so next is practical oriented questions. You have already the ready-made answers and the questions will be given to you. You can study them. You can easily get 15 out of 15 here. So there is no mind game here. You need to just print, copy and paste. Okay, so hoping that I have made you understand well. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the videos related to your PUC accountancy, and you like to be part of our classes and like to get benefited, then definitely you can contact at this number and I will definitely help you. Thank you very much.